We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on a Samsung Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem because you're wanting to go and use things like the Play Store, browse the internet, and you're unable to. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and resolve it. So what you want to do is go and swipe up like so to open your app library. And then what you can do here is go and find the option for settings. You can always go and search at the top of settings and go and find it there. Come into connections and come into Wi-Fi. Now, in some cases, you may go and get a message about there being no internet here, but it may not, and it still may not be working. First of all, what you can try doing is simply turning Wi-Fi off, then back on. It should then go and automatically reconnect. If it doesn't, you can tap on it, go and see if it's now working. If it still isn't, press the gear cog icon to the right, and what we can do is press forget in the bottom right, and then try rejoining it. So I'll then go and type in the password. We'll go and press connect. Now you can go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, come back again, and you want to go and scroll down and find the option for general. Here we are, general management. Scroll down in here and find reset. And scroll down again, and you can find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and press that there. They'll then go and be reset. This will go and do things like forget all the Wi-Fi networks. You have to reconnect, but it's worth doing because it can go and solve the problem. So we can return to connections and come back to Wi-Fi. Wait for this to load and select the network. Go and press connect. Go and see if it's working. If it still isn't, come to the right and press the gear cog icon of the network and press view more. Come down and find IP settings and change it to static. Now you want to come down to DNS. For DNS1, type in what I've got here, 8.8.8.8, and you can press save. And you can do this for DNS2, 8.8.4.4, and press save. And then what you can do is come back, and hopefully now it will go and be solved and it'll be working. If it's still not working, try restarting your internet router and that'll hopefully solve it. Leave a like if you found this useful.